In 2026, something very interesting is happening across Europe, but almost no one is talking about it. While social media is full of loud gurus, flashy lifestyles, and viral get-rich promises, thousands of ordinary Europeans are quietly building real, long-term wealth online. They're not influencers. They're not flexing supercars. Most of them don't even show their faces. Yet, every month, their systems generate income while they live normal, low-stress lives. The reason you don't hear about them is simple. This kind of wealth doesn't need attention to work. And if you think online money is all about crypto hype, dropshipping, chaos, or posting every day on social media, you're already looking in the wrong direction. Today, I am going to show you what they're redoing differently and how you can follow the same path. By 2026, online income in Europe has matured. It's no longer about chasing trends or going viral. It's about building digital systems that are boring, predictable, and reliable. Europeans are especially good at this because they value privacy, stability, and long-term thinking over fast wins. Strong regulations, high competition, and rising living costs have pushed people to become smarter, not louder about how they earn online. They use AI as a tool, not a shortcut. They focus on ownership instead of followers. And most importantly, they build assets that keep working even when they log off. In this video, I'll break down exactly how Europeans are quietly building wealth online in 2026. And I'll guide you step by step through the mindset, the models, and the blueprint you can start using today, without hype, without luck, and without needing to be famous. AI-powered digital products in 2026. One of the quietest yet most powerful ways Europeans are building wealth online is through AI-powered digital products. These are not flashy online courses or influencer coaching programs. Instead, they are simple, problem-solving products like templates, planners, calculators, checklists, niche guides, and internal tools for specific industries. Europeans focus heavily on usefulness and efficiency, which makes these products highly valuable and long-lasting. AI helps them create faster, but humans still control strategy, structure, and accuracy. The goal isn't perfection, it's relevance. Most creators identify a small but painful problem in a niche, then build a digital solution once and sell it repeatedly. Platforms like Gumroad or private websites handle payments and delivery automatically, meaning income can come in even while they sleep. What makes this model especially attractive in Europe is scalability without visibility. No personal brand is required, no daily posting, and no constant engagement. Once the product is validated, small improvements in SEO traffic keep it alive for years. This is wealth built quietly, legally, and sustainably, one digital asset at a time. Boring online services with monthly retainers. Another major way Europeans are building online wealth in 2026 is through what many people ignore: boring online services. These include website maintenance, email automation, CRM setup, AI chatbot installation, booking systems, and back-end digital support for small and medium-sized businesses. The work itself isn't exciting, but the income is stable and predictable. Europeans prefer reliability over excitement, and this model fits perfectly with that mindset. Instead of chasing one-time clients, they focus on monthly retainers. A business might pay a fixed fee every month just to keep systems running smoothly. Once set up, most of these services require minimal weekly effort, especially when automation and AI are involved. Many service providers manage multiple clients at the same time without increasing their workload significantly. This creates leverage. The key is specialization. Rather than offering everything to everyone, Europeans choose one service for one type of business and become very good at it. Over time, referrals replace marketing, and income becomes consistent. It's not glamorous, but it's dependable, and that's exactly the point. Niche content websites using SEO and AI in 2026. Niche content websites remain a strong wealth-building method across Europe, but the approach has evolved. Instead of chasing viral traffic, Europeans focus on search intent questions people are already asking. These websites cover specific topics like regulations, health information, local services, finance comparisons, or travel rules. AI helps create drafts quickly, but human editing ensures trust and accuracy, which is crucial under European standards. Once content ranks on search engines, traffic becomes consistent and passive. Monetization usually comes from ads, affiliate links, or lead generation. What makes this model powerful is that it compounds over time. A single article written once can generate income for years. Europeans are patient with this process. They understand that real wealth grows slowly but steadily. Most of these site owners never appear on camera and never build an audience. Their website is the asset, They reinvest earnings into better content, better tools, and more automation. In a world full of noise, search-based content quietly attracts people who are already ready to take action, and that's where real value is created. Private and subscription-based e-commerce, unlike trend-driven dropshipping. Europeans in 2026 are building private, controlled e-commerce businesses. These are often white-label or niche brands, focused on quality, reliability, and repeat customers. Instead of chasing viral products, they sell essentials, consumables, or problem-solving items that people need regularly. Subscription models are especially popular because they create predictable monthly revenue. Europeans pay close attention to logistics, compliance, and customer experience. This reduces refunds, chargebacks, and platform risk. Many brands operate quietly with small marketing budgets, relying on email lists, search traffic, and partnerships instead of social media hype. The goal is sustainability, not overnight success. Automation plays a big role here as well. Inventory, customer support, billing, and follow-ups are often handled by systems rather than people. Once the machine is running smoothly, owners focus on optimization instead of constant firefighting. This approach allows them to scale calmly and responsibly. It's not fast money, but it's real money, built on trust, structure, and long-term customer relationships. Micro SaaS and automation tools. One of the most advanced but increasingly popular models in Europe is micro SaaS. These are small software tools designed to solve one specific problem for a narrow audience. Unlike big tech startups, micro SaaS products don't aim to dominate markets. They aim to serve a small group extremely well. In 2026, no-code platforms and AI APIs have made this more accessible than ever. Many Europeans identify inefficiencies in their own jobs or industries, then build simple tools to fix them. These tools might automate reports, organize data, schedule tasks, or integrate systems. Customers pay monthly or yearly, creating recurring revenue. Because the software does one thing only, maintenance stays low and margins stay high. Privacy, compliance, and reliability are central to these products, which aligns perfectly with European values. Founders don't need teams or investors. Often, one or two people can manage everything. This is quiet wealth at its highest level, owning a digital machine that runs continuously, improves slowly, and pays consistently without public attention. By 2026, real online wealth no longer looks loud or dramatic. It looks calm, structured, and intentional. Across Europe, people are proving that you don't need viral fame, risky speculation, or non-stop hustle to build a strong digital income. What actually works are system-simple assets that solve real problems, run on automation, and grow quietly over time. Whether it's a digital product, a niche service, a content website, a private e-commerce brand, or a small software tool, the pattern is always the same. Focus on ownership, think long-term, and let consistency do the heavy lifting. The biggest difference between those who succeed and those who TISNT, intelligence or resources, patience and direction. Most people quit because the results don't come fast enough. Europeans who build wealth stay because they understand that slow progress compounds into freedom. If you take one idea from this video, let it be this. Stop chasing attention and start building assets. Choose one model, commit to it, and give it time to work. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more step-by-step guides on smart online income. Like the video to support the channel, and comment below which model you want to explore next. The quiet path may not look exciting, but it's the one that lasts.